In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a snapshot on Gohighlevel. Creating a snapshot on Gohighlevel can streamline your agency's workflows, making it easier to replicate success across client accounts. Whether you're looking to save time on setup or ensure consistency in campaign execution, snapshots are a powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal. Let's start by navigating to Gohighlevel. You can find it by typing www.gohighlevel.com into your browser. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see an option to log in to app, usually prominently displayed. Go ahead and click that. After clicking, you'll be taken to a login screen. Here you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the same one you used when signing up for Gohighlevel to ensure you can access the right account. After you've inputted your email, the next field asks for your password. Type it in carefully, remembering that passwords are case sensitive. Once you've filled in both your email and password, the next step is to click on Sign In. Sometimes there might be an extra security step here to ensure your account's safety. If prompted, hit the Send Security Code button. This will send a security code to your email or phone number depending on your settings. Check your device, retrieve the code, then enter it into the designated space on the Gohighlevel website. With the security verification complete, you'll find yourself on the Gohighlevel dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your account. The next step in creating a snapshot involves finding the Account Snapshots section. You might need to navigate through the dashboard or use a search function to locate it. Once found, go ahead and click on it. Inside the Account Snapshots area, you'll see an option to Create New Snapshot. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this option will begin the process of creating a new snapshot. A snapshot essentially captures the configuration of tools, campaigns, and workflows you've set up, allowing you to replicate these settings in another account with ease. The process of creating a snapshot is straightforward, but requires attention to detail. As you go through the steps, you'll have options to include specific elements such as campaigns, funnels, and automations. It's a good time to consider what you truly need in this snapshot. Are you looking to replicate a successful campaign across multiple client accounts? Or maybe you've perfected a sales funnel that you know will benefit your new clients. Whatever the reason, selecting the appropriate elements now saves you time later. Once you've made your selections and followed the prompts, your snapshot will be created. It's a simple process, but one with profound implications for your digital marketing efforts. With a snapshot, you can quickly deploy proven strategies, ensuring a high quality and consistent level of service for all your clients. Remember, the beauty of snapshots lies in their ability to save you time while maintaining quality. However, it's also important to review each snapshot before applying it to a new account. Make sure all elements are correctly configured and nothing from the original account should be excluded. In conclusion, creating a snapshot on Gohighlevel is a straightforward process that can bring significant benefits to your digital marketing agency. By following the steps we've gone through today, you'll be able to save time, ensure consistency across client accounts, and replicate success with ease. Happy snapping, and here's to your continued success in the digital space.